Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to open Google Sheets through using Chrome browser. So first of all, you need to log into your Gmail account. As you can see, my profile picture top right corner with A, which means I have already logged into my account. All you need to do is type sheets.google.com, enter, which will open you up the Google Sheets page where you can see how many, which opens up and which shows how many sheets you open here. So I have total 3 sheets over here, and also you can sort it out who is the owner, you or anyone else, or not owned by anyone. And also you can sort it out by the last opened person. So you can do it, you can play around with these settings to get your sheets. So that is it from my end.